So today is the air show on base. It's very exciting because I don't think I've really even, seen an air show. I know in Colorado, I lived right next to an airport, so seeing airplanes is pretty much yeah. But I also live on base, so I see airplanes all the time, but not doing tricks like and stuff like that, right? So I'm about to go. I'm going to try to videotape it, and it's going to suck if they don't show up because they didn't show up in that one video. So let's go outside and see these planes going out front, and my little sister is also with me. Okay, and if they're not up front, we'll be just going out back, okay? Michelle. Okay, so it doesn't look like they're up front. So maybe they're in back, because that's where the light line is. And we can see them pretty well because, I live, right on base. So this is pretty cool. Very cool. We did, we couldn't see any. We couldn't see any.
Y'all didn't see the ones that when I've been sitting here talking on my phone and talking and then planes going on?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, y'all missed all that. Okay then, Coachy, we're here. I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye-bye. Andrea likes it outside.
Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
See the baby Andrea.
Like we're here during the time.
Yeah. She's asleep.
She been taking pictures?
Everybody, I know this is an air show, but this is my little sister Andrea. She looks like me. And this is Michelle. Michelle, say hi.
Hi.
Maybe native one.
Where are the planes?
Did you see one went one way and one went the other? Y'all didn't see that?
Nuh-uh. So what are they doing now, taking a break? Max. Hey, Frumpy.